What's up guys, how are you? Welcome to my channel. The Apple Watch is by some significant distance the best smartwatch brand in the market, and with Apple's vast resources, largest developer community and mature ecosystem, I don't expect any alternative smartwatch brand to be able to top it anytime soon. Xiaomi's Mi Band 5 priced around $45, it's clearly in the budget fitness band range but packs more features than competing bands that cost twice as much. It has a 1.1-inch OLED display that's large enough to show entire WhatsApp chat messages in full. It tracks steps, heart rate, sleep with surprisingly strong accuracy. It has jaw-dropping 14-day battery life on a single charge, and it's rated 5 atmospheric pressure, meaning it can be worn while showering or swimming. The Mi Band 5 can be used when synchronized with Xiaomi's fitness app, which provide detailed analysis of fitness stats. The band can track sleep automatically using the same algorithm that Fitbit does by measuring your heart rate and motion detection to identify if you are asleep. The sleep tracking seems highly accurate. The Band 5 can also receive notifications in timely fashion. You can only read. This is still a lot better than many fitness bands, which fails to show WhatsApp messages in full. Fitness bands under $50 usually do not offer OLED screens nor an in-depth fitness tracking, but the Mi Band 5 does it. The Mi Band 5 is easily the best in the under $50 or even under $100 price range. The Fitbit Charge 4 is more capable, but it's almost 3 times the price of the Xiaomi Mi Band 5. So what do you guys think about this fitness band? Write your kind comments in the comment section, and as always I will see you in the next video. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any video from my channel. Thank you.